Good evening, my friends. Hello, hello. Welcome back to the kitchen. Tonight, we are celebrating the beginning of summer, which occurs in about 48 hours, with our summer superfood smoothie. So what do we have in here? Nopal cactus water, blueberries, banana, blue-green algae, Klamath Lake blue-green algae from the E3 AFA company. E3 Live comes frozen. Cinnamon, baobab powder, fruit powder, Udo's 369, plant-based omega oil, Spanish moss, Irish moss. Spanish moss is something else, and it's also a song by the great Gordon Lightfoot. Irish moss. So, what are we supplying ourselves with for the summer season? Great hydration to help us stay cool and stay nourished. Okay? A boatload of electrolytes, potassium, magnesium, calcium, a little bit of sodium, silica, phosphorus. We have amino acids, full spectrum amino acids, full spectrum of nucleic acids, full spectrum of the omega fatty acids. We have oligomeric proanthocyanidins, we have carotenoids, we have vitamin C, we have B1, B2, B3, pantothenic acid, we have folate, we have betaline, betalain, B-E-T-A-L-A-I-N, compounds. So this will promote, we have probiotics in here for the biome. Will promote healthy vascular dilation through the activity of nitric oxide and nitric oxide synthase. We've got compounds in the cactus water to support the functioning of the kidney and the adrenal systems. Everything we need in the youngmost season, the summer season, to have a cool, healthy, nourished, circulated, lymphatically cleansed, flourishing body. The fatty acids and nucleic acids and amino acids are great for the brain functioning and the liver. Everything we need is in here. The silica to promote healthy muscles, joints, and connective tissue to support that, because we're more active in the summer much of the time, playing sports, doing yard work, swimming, walking more, outside activity, bike riding, etc. So we have this for our well-being. Share this with those you love. Share this with those you like, even like not so much, because it's a good thing. It promotes health. It promotes wellness. Sharing promotes joy, promotes peace, promotes love, promotes all of the things we need to promote. Let's try this. Oh boy. Yeah, this is good. And because, we've got some banana in there that's a little bit sweet, but because of all the cinnamon and the berries, both of which are published in clinical journals to reduce glycemic load and glycemic index and insulin load, we help neutralize that sugar in there, and the sugar gets utilized in a healthy way for us. So this is good. This is liquid goodness. I want you to try this. Quick minute to make in the blender. And also, another big hello to all of my friends in the Hudson Healing Arts family, hudsonhealingarts.com, and for our office newsletter and blog. And that's it. So be well, be healthy, stay together, stay in love, stay strong. stay hydrated, and we'll see you real soon. Okay, bye-bye for now.